Hey, what's up, guys? G is here, your Builderall training support specialist in network marketing slash MLM. Hope you guys are having a good night today. And in today's video, we're actually going to go back into what we did yesterday, and that was the CRM tool and how you can track how hot your leads are. And like I said before, when I mean hot, I don't mean hot and sexy and good looking, okay? Just just to remind you that. But yeah, so in the CRM, we saw yesterday that the lead opt-in, right? We have the name, we have the email, and we were able to tag them that they were cold when they came in and opted in, landed on the email confirmation page. Then they got warm because they actually clicked and went to watch the video. Then it's a hot lead because now they went to the other page where they're going to sign up and join our network marketing business, right? Our MLM business. Then I showed you that here where it says origins and steps. Let me zoom in. Origins and steps right here. You click on that and you pick your page. I don't have no domain, so that's why it's just like this. So here you see the process. I confirm email, their code, and what I did on the tags, on this one I have nothing, but on this one, when I clicked on warm and click on tags, I said that the action to be done is to move this lead now from my magic button, which is right the code list, to my warm list. So it would be moved, not copied. They would be completely removed from here and transferred, right? And moved over here to my warm list. And then I did the same thing here. Now that they're hot, right, on the tag, I want them to go from the warm list and be moved to the hot list. So something that I didn't get to explain to you guys, because I just wanted to give you guys the basics so you understand just the structure and how things work. I want to share with you guys a little advanced things, and that is giving them a score. Okay, now the score here, you can put whatever you want, 20, 11, 7, and the score you'll be able to see right here when I go to my leads. And you see here it says Emily, she has an 84. This one has an 86, right? But all that depends on the score that I decided to give it. So let's say that when they reach the hot zone, right? My page that tags them to be hot, maybe I want a score of, really high score. Maybe I wanted a 50. And I update. So now what's good about that is that, so maybe what you would like to do is instead of moving them to a specific list and sending them some type of email according to that list that they landed on, maybe you want to move them to another list, all depending on the score that they have. So let's say if they have a score of 84, they're going to get moved to a buyer's list, right? Not a hot list anymore. They're going to be moved from the hot list to the buyer's list. If they have a, here is an 86. So maybe let's call this contact for one-on-one or something like that. Let's just do it the other way around. So if they get an 86 score, they are going to be moved into my buyers list. If they get an 84, they almost made it. They're just going to be moved from my hot list to close to becoming buyers list. Okay, whatever you want. I'm just giving you guys an example. So for you to do that, you click here on where it says actions by score. And then I would click here. I will give the action a name, and this action will be called buyers. Then here you will call it buyers list. And action, maybe you want to move them now to another list or maybe copy. Let's just keep it in a move. And we are going from hot to, I didn't make a list, but let's just choose one from here, Thanksgiving challenge. Now, what's the score? The score I want it to be, if it's, let's make it 86. Actually, not 84, because the 86 one, I already deleted that by mistake. So let's just do it with the 84. Let's save. So move from hot list to Thanksgiving challenge if they have an 84. Let's check mailing boss. It shouldn't do it. So now let's actually go test this out and see how that works. Let's go to my cheetah. Let's open this page. Let's click on here. And let's just open it in Chrome. Let's open Chrome. Paste it right here. All right, so let's just put an email here. Let's call it JJ and instant access. Let's go back to our list. Refresh. As you see here, magic button. Let's open it in a new tab. And as you can see, it's JJ and they're cold. Okay. So now since they're cold, they need to confirm. So let's actually go and confirm that email. Oh, and let's also check the CRM so you guys can see here. CRM. So JJ is right there. He has a 17 and it's cold. Now let's confirm the email. Have it open right here and confirm. All right, so they watched the presentation. Let's go back to this over here. Let's refresh. They have a 42. They're warm. Then if we check mailing boss, let's refresh. They should be in the warm list now. So as you can see, it went from magic to warm. And just click on this so you guys can see. Now they're warm. And as you can see, the tag also changed. I'm going to show you guys how I did that. Because normally, if you don't do what I'm going to show you, you would have all tags here. You'll have cold, warm, hot, and so on. Okay, so let's go back to the list. And let's go now back to click on this. All right, so I clicked on it. Now let's check out so you guys can see again. Let's refresh. It should be from warm to hot. I remember right here at the Thanksgiving, we have 1 subscriber. The last thing that we wanted to do is to transfer them to our Thanksgiving challenge. So let's see if that works. Now let's refresh. Oh wait, I forgot that it changed the score. I messed it up. I forgot that I changed this to 50. The hot, so it's supposed to be 112. Alright, so that is my fault, guys. Let's see, let's go back over here. 112. There we go. So let's see if we actually did it on the mailing boss. So I added it here. I'm not sure if it's going to work since I just did the update. I added the tag, but I'm not sure if it actually would work here because I did it after. So let's give it a shot. Let's see. Oh, there you go. It did. Awesome. So here, as you can see, it's now here because I added a score. And if I go to subscribers, you should see it has now hot and buyers list. And as you see for this one, it didn't remove the hot, because I didn't set this up to be removed. But what I'm going to show you guys to do is how you can actually do that so that you don't have so many tags here on this lead. What you want to do is go back to CRM, and when you're here, you want to click on Mailing Boss Workflow right here. When you click on Mailing Boss Workflow, it should open up, and I already have it here. As you can see, I have my workflow here already that I had made. So this is what I did. So you don't need to have this. I just added it there. But what I did is that when you get the warm tag, so I did a, let's go back over here. I did a tag. So I grabbed tag, and then I typed in, let's say warm. Actually, let's do not that. Oh, let's bring it back. Let's do now, the tag is called buyers list. Let's make sure that is, so yeah, buyers list. So let's go back over here. Buyers list. Make sure it's the same tag name. Okay. And what I want to do is now I want to remove a tag. I want to remove the tag hot. So now I have that once this tag is applied, I want this tag to be removed. So as you saw that on the lead, I had, at first I had cold, but then when it became hot, then when it became warm, it removed the tag cold. Then when the lead became hot, it removed the tag warm. And I just added now buyers list, remove hot. Now I'm pretty sure it's not gonna do it now because it's usually before new subscribers. So you want to have all these things set up before you start having subscribers so that you don't have what's happening to me right now. If I go to the list, it should still have, let's go over here, let's go to subscribers. And as you can see, it still has the tags, which is hot and buyers list. So yeah, make sure you guys do everything in advance before you start having subscribers, because then you can't do these automation things and these tag things if they are already in your list. And that's it, guys, for today's video. Hope you guys learned something new, and if you didn't, at least maybe this is a refresher, because I know I'm still always learning, and with Builderall we're always learning and growing. So once again, guys, don't forget, let's go build it with Builderall. Have a good night. Take care. Peace.